Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power and connection. This fixes most issues fast. Check battery level or plug in via USB. Low power often disables rumble. Once done, fully power cycle. Remove batteries, hold the sync and Xbox buttons for 10 seconds to drain residual charge, then reinsert and pair. Make sure the console firmware is at least current. Outdated firmware can disable features. Now test vibration in Accessories app or controller settings to see if haptics return. Next, focus on software and firmware because the controller's motors rely on updated code. Open the Xbox Accessories app and install any available firmware updates. This often restores rumble. If the update isn't available, connect the controller to a PC with the Xbox Accessories app to try updates there. Once updated, test vibration in a known game with rumble enabled. If it still fails, test the controller on another console or PC to determine whether the controller or the console is. Finally, inspect hardware when software steps fail. If you are comfortable, remove the back shell and check the vibration motor connectors for loose cables or corrosion. Make sure the flex cable seats properly. Replace a failed motor or damaged flex cable. These parts are inexpensive and restore function. Reassemble carefully and retest. If you prefer not to open the controller or it's under warranty, contact support for repair or replacement. One troubleshooting tip: try a factory reset on the console if all else fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.